Hello guys!
Okay.
Today we're gonna cut JP's hair.
That's so long.
It's too long. Yeah, he wants to cut it. Tawag ano? This is how I cut his tickle. Oh, JP, stop it. You're gonna have a kalbo here, kalbo there, kalbo everywhere.
Gabu.
Kalbo.
What gabu?
Kalbo here, kalbo there, kalbo everywhere.
No. Tika.
Ano siya, tickle. Okay, we're gonna use a scissor now.
Use that one.
Not that one, it's only for a nose. That one is for a nose. You know the nose? Like this?
I want
Yeah,
this one.
use it for the nose. It's not for the hair. Wait. Yeah, makalbo dyan nga akong anak. Kalbo hair ka. Can you please behave? Kabo, liho ka man kayo. Uy, kalbo dyan yung gawas ani.
What's that one? What's your hair?
JP, can you please behave?
What's that one?
I know.
What that one supposed to
Unsa gamito nato pagupit ate kung dili gunting? Kamot.
That one supposed to do?
Kamot ato gamiton te?
Don't come out here.
No, we are not cutting. Oh, akong anak na nagang na. Don't cut. We are not cutting it. I'm cutting the hair. Ayoko no gupit ang akong talinga.
Cut that way. Don't cut that
No.
way. Please, don't cut that way.
Which way? Let me see. You're gonna cut your ears if you do that. Don't do that. Wala, sige kay cut good ng imong talinga ron.
Only upper side. Only upper side. Only upper
I
side.
know.
Cut upper side.
Wait a minute, look.
What's that one supposed to do?
That's so Makabuang dyan ni si Tatang. Pero ang likot.
What? This one supposed to do? That one no.
JP, ang likot naman kasi
This
nito.
one supposed to
Matagtad gud ning imong karon, makalbo jud karon.
Mama,
Matanggal gud ang dong kanani ron.
what? This one supposed to do? Mama, wait, this one supposed to do?
Behave.
Wait, this one supposed to
Yeah guys,
do?
this is how I cut JP's hair. So
Why?
it's already long. I cut it last month, so this month I cut it again. So I keep trimming it every month.
Oh, why?
Yeah, once a month I trim it so it will not get long.
Why?
Because you got a long hair.
Why make that long hair?
Tingnan mo, ang likot-likot kasi ang daming dinadampot sa sahig.
Look,
Loko. Daghan ni hibalan ako dire ron. Oh, you behave.
Mine.
Bitaw no, ipakita gani ning akong
Mine.
pagkakot dire ba sa dili ko ni ano dito.
Mine.
Isuwayan nato oy. Naman na mawala.
Mine.
Kinsa?
Mine.
Nag-text siya nimo?
Mine.
Oh, na ako naman ko. Ako naman siya kuan. Ako naman siya di ano dito. Di patanaw naman ako tong akong computer. Wait, stop moving. Ang likot-likot talaga nito gupitan. Oh guys, nagtataka kayo bakit ako nagsasalita mag-isa kasi may kausap ako sa telepono. Andito yung isang kaibigan ko. Kahit nasa trabaho nagkikipag-usap.
That mine thing.
Okay. One more. Look, it's still long. Look, it's still long on your
I want
bangs.
it just like that.
You want it just like that? Okay, just a little bit more, okay?
Whoa! Someone's hair! I'm seated.
One more.
Ah. What's that thing going here?
Is it still on your hair?
Just like that.
Let me see. We're gonna cut it.
I'm just my bro.
Wait! We're gonna cut it.
I want to do that. No.
No. Oh, dili siya ganahan, ana. Ano, gani lang. Oh. Pogi na, pogi.
No. Put it.
Pogi.
You put it.
Pogi is handsome. You know, Pogi. Wait, don't throw that thing. One more here. This side.
What?
Because it's not.
What? Ow!
Oh, wrong way. Reklamador man nga akong. Reklamador ang ginugupitan ko. Napaka-reklamador. Oh, gwapo na nito siya. One more time here. This side.
One more time!
Okay,
One more time!
Stop screaming.
One more time!
Okay. Here you go. We're done, guys. Look, I got my handsome boy. Goodbye mga sangkay. See you next vlog.
And watch out! Stop!
And watch us too. Bye.
I'm so silly.
I know you're silly.